Okay, so let's do one more. So we finish chapter. Okay, one more, last one. So it says on a fast day, when communal fast or a private fast. Okay, those who fast recite in the Mincha Shemoneh Esrei prayer, in the blessing Shmak Aleinu. Just those who fast recite Mincha Shemoneh Esrei prayer in the blessing of Shmak Aleinu. So here our Shmak Aleinu is hear our voice, I think. And the Aleinu answer us. So it's like I don't know 4 lines or so. Answer us. When he reached the conclusion of the words of the prayer, Behol es tzaras vetzukah. It's in English spelling. I don't know. In every time of distress and woe. Okay, so that's the explanation, translation. In every time of distress or woe, he should conclude the blessing Shmak Aleinu with the words Ki ata shomeh tefillah. No, just 1 second. Ki ata shomeh, and they say etc. So let me see the commentary and they explain. This is in a contrast to the Chazan, who repeats Aneinu as a separate blessing in his repetition of Shemoneh Esrei, between the blessing of redemption and the blessing of healing. And concludes with Baruch atah HaShem, ha'oinei be'ei tzara. Bless you, HaShem, who responds to our time of distress. Okay, so let me explain before we continue. Let me explain quickly what it says. So if you see in the repetition of the Shemoneh Esrei, they have this great box, and it says the commentary says only Chazan says it. So if Chazan says it, you don't say it, but you say it in a different place, right? Hear our voice. Okay. If person forgot to recite Aneinu, so meaning he's private Aneinu. If so, what is Aneinu? It's Aneinu is answer us. Okay. If person forgot to recite Aneinu, if he remember only after he recited the name of HaShem in the concluding blessing Shmak Aleinu, Shomeh Tefillah, right? So Baruch atah HaShem Shomeh Tefillah. He does not go back to the beginning of the blessing to recite the name. Rather, after the conclusion of the entire Shemoneh Esrei prayer and after Elokai Netzor, before stepping out of the place, of his place to take 3 steps back, he should recite Aneinu until the words Behol es tzaras vetzukah. And then he concludes the verse Veihirat Son, etc. at the end of the Elokai Netzor supplication. So let me finish and I'm going to explain. If he did not realize his omission until after stepping off his place, he does not say Aneinu at all. Okay. So let's try to understand what it says here. So basically, if the person forgot his personal Aneinu, right, answer us, and so basically he concluded this blessing. That's it. So in other places we say with Yala v'Yoveh, maybe he can do between the blessing, right? In other places maybe between the blessing, but here that's it. That's too late. Okay, so he can say after reciting Elokai Netzor. So basically it's right before the taking these 3 steps back. So he adds this paragraph. But if he forgot even then, so that's it. So he does not say it. I think if a person is not fasting, he also does not say it, if I remember correctly. Okay, so we finish. Oh, HaShem.